Sobrang ganda ng location nito, guys. Facing morning sun, tapos nandito ka pa sa main highway. So, ang entrance natin, entrance 1 ng Bel Air Central, and then ito yung isa pa nating entrance or exit. Okay, check natin yung loob. So, dito sa carport, pwede dito dalawang sasakyan. Kasya po dito. Tapos, dito meron pa tayong space. From here, sa inyo pa po ito, hanggang dito. Yan. Check natin yung loob. Yan. Look at that. Dito, this is your living area. Yan. As you can see, malaki yung window natin para pumasok yung natural lights. Sa layout ng Paris natin, magkahiwalay ang kitchen. So, this is the kitchen, and then yung kaninang pinakita ko yung living area. And then, meron pa tayong isang kwarto dito sa baba. And we have first toilet and bath natin sa first floor. Bedroom 1. Ito, pwede nyo yung gawing office or pwedeng gawing bedroom para sa elderly. Okay? And then, ito ang ating hagdan. May space pa tayo dito for more storage. The next is your kitchen. May access tayo to service area. So, ayan, as you can see, pwede kayong mag-dinner pa dyan. Dito, for example, dito yung dining natin. And then, sa labas, pwede tayo mag-barbecue. Okay. Check natin yung second floor. So, high ceiling tayo for Paris. So, yan. Dito meron tayong space. Pwede nyo pa itong gawing office. And then, may access tayo sa balcony. This is the access 1, papunta sa balcony. And then, this is the bedroom 2 for the second floor. And then, common toilet and bath. Bedroom 3. And last but not the least, ang ating master bedroom. Ayan. May sarili pa tayong walk-in space. Pwede tayo maglagay ng cabinet for walk-in closet. And then, nandito ang ating toilet and bath. And may access tayo dito for our balcony.